So yesterday we recorded, right, script, this script, web2 script. So once we can record the script, we need to do for the some script enhancements, because for single user point of view only it will work in, we need to work in the user, but we need to execute with the multiple users, because of as a performance testing means we need to execute with the multiple users, and we need to check for the each and every transaction how much response time it is taking. So that is our main rule. So that is point of view, we need to create more number of users. So that means, so what we need, number of usernames and number of password we need. So for example, so we have the username Jojo, Bean will be there. So this is only single user, but we need to execute with the multiple users means, we need to give for the multiple input data, right? So for example, Facebook will be there. So is my credential only, for my point of it will work. Your credentials, your point of only it will work, right? So that is why what we need to do means, we need for the more data point of view, we need one enhancements will be there, script enhancements, that is we can call it as a parameterization. Parameterization nothing but what are the static input to the server, which are the values you are entering through keyword, those values we should do parameterization. Okay, what is the parameterization means, which are the values you are entering through keyboard, those values we need to do for parameterization. So already we know, right, what are we done for example, we'll open the web tour application, we'll see what are the things we need to adding for the while in the keyboard. So this is the web tour application. So once we can open, and we are entering, which value we are entering, username and password. So we are entering through keyword, right? These values we are entering through keyword. What are the username and password? So you are entering through keyword means those values you need to do for the parameterization. So this is the Jojo, this is the Bean. So these two you need to do for the parameterization, and after that you need to click on continue, and after that click on flights, and after that here we are selecting or we are entering. Hello?
We are selecting.
Yes, we are selecting some data, we are selecting from the drop down. So that is why no need to do for this parameterization. But you can see is the date will be, we are entering or it will be selecting. We are entering. So means you are entering means those what are the values you are entering, those values we need to do parameterization. Departure date we need to do, and return date, and after that number of passengers also will be there. You need to, you can given as a 2, then we are entering data. So these 3 also we need to entering the data. That is why we need to do for the parameterization, departure date and return date and number of passengers. And after that seat preferences, we are just selecting what is our preferences, type of seat we are selecting. So and after that now here also we are selecting or we are entering, we are selecting the flight. So that is why you can click on this. After that first name and last name and street address and city, these are all things we are entering. So these all values you need to do for the parameterization. So what are the values you are entering through keyword, those values we should do parameterization. So it's clear what is the parameterization definition. So after that sign off. So means, see, now we'll go to the script. So what are the values we are entering through keyboard, those values we need to do for the parameterization. This is the one scripting enhancements. So how to do for the parameterization I will explain. So now we find the, in the login part, Jojo Bean will be username password we are entering. That is why we need to do for the parameterization. How to do for the parameterization means, username, just you can click on this and select that one. What is the name of that one? Username is a Jojo, you need to select, and after that click on right button. Okay, click on right button. Here will be replace with parameter will be there. Okay, everyone able to see, right? Replace with parameter and click on create new parameter. So once you can click on new parameter means it will open like this, and after that this is the parameter name. Parameter name nothing but Which value we are doing? Which value?
Username.
So yes, what are the value you are doing? You need to give for the parameter name that value. So we are doing as a username. So you can give as a username. And so after that, you can observe we have the different type of file types will be there. We'll explain one by one. File and date and time, group name, and iteration number, load generator, random number, table number. Mostly we can use for the file and date. File means what are the text values or anything text or numeric values. So that is type we can select as a file. Maybe date and time will be there. For example, return date, or we need to book for the return dates or departure date. You can means you need to select for the date and time parameterization. So now Jojo is the which one? This is the just characters, right? So you need to select for the file. Okay, it's clear. And after that, this is the original value. Then you need to click on for the properties. So now you can observe we are selected file, and this is our parameter name. What is our parameter name? Username dot. So what is the parameterization extension? Anyone ask means dot, DAT dot. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Everyone able to see, right?
Yes.
DAT dot. What is the parameter extension file? Dot.
Dot.
dot. So once we can click on the properties, now you need to click on create table and click on OK. Now you can observe one username we are given Jojo. So you want to give for the more test data, then you need to click on edit with notepad plus, and you need to give for the username like Jojo1 and Jojo2 and Jojo3 and Jojo4. So you need to like this, you need to give, and after that click on and save it. Now you can observe in script, see what are the values we are entered, all values it is showing. You can see Jojo, Jojo1, Jojo2, Jojo3, Jojo4. So like this, we need to, how much data we want, we need to give for that much data. For example, you want 100 data, you can copy paste or you can import from the any Excel sheet. So whatever maybe you need to give for the data here like this. And after that, here will be select a column. We need to select a column by name or by number will be there. Number means we have the one column, that is why it is showing one. By name means what is the column name? Username. So you need to select here username. By name I'm selecting, that is the username. And after that, so we have the some sequential each iteration, these things there, we can discuss that one. Then after that, now you can close it. And after that, you need to click on OK. See, do you want to replace with the other occurrences of this string with this parameter? Means how many times will be there Jojo? You want to replace for all places, means you need to click on S. Means you can observe first name, last name also it is showing Jojo. So that is why no need to click for every time, no need to click for the S. Every time you need to click for the only no. Click on no. So now see, username parameterization is completed. So we need to do for the parameterization for like this, we need to do. It's clear, everyone? So
what about in username we given Jojo now?
Yes, we are given Jojo, but we are submitting for the username like.
Okay, by using this username,
yes,
we can get
This
5
is the column name,
details.
right? Is the column name is a username, and you are executing with the Jojo means in this place it will be coming to the username. That is why here it is done for with the username. So now you need to give for the username you are given. You want to second username means you need to come to here, and you can give for the second column, and it will pick for the Jojo one. You can observe.
Okay, yes, I get it.
Yeah. So now once this is done, then again we need to do for the password also. Again we can, I'm doing for the same thing I'm showing for, please watch each and everyone. Again you need to select for the parameter value, and after that click on right button and replace with parameter and click on create new parameter. And here you need to give for the parameter name. What is this? This value Ismail?
Password.
password. So you need to give for the password. So because we need to give for the related name, because for example, you can see here someone, for example, Swarna doing for the scripting. Maybe she middle, maybe she is sick leave. Maybe tomorrow she will not come. Then they will assign to for me for this script. Maybe I will come to this script. I can see this means okay. Swarna done for the username parameterization. Then I will know. So that is why we need to give for the related name. You can give for the your name also, it will replace, but no need to give for the our names like this. So you need to give for the what value we are doing parameterization, you need to give for that name only. Okay, it's clear. And after that, bin is the text or any text file only, right? So that is why you need to select for the file. And after that, again, you need to go to the properties. In the properties, we are selected for the file. This is the file is a password is our parameter name. Now you need to click on create table. This is the create table. Now you can click on again, click on OK, and you need to select for the by name. You need to select for the password, and after that you need to enter for the test data means you can click on this, and you need to give for the password details, and being 1, being 2, being 3, and 4. So and save it. Now you can observe all values came, right? Bean 1, bean 2, bean 3, bean 4. And after that, we need to select here password. And after that, click on close and click on OK. I told right, always you need to click for the no. No need to replace for all. So username and password is completed. Now we need to check for the which value we need to do for the parameterization. So in search flight, in this transaction, we don't have any value. So you need to check for the each and every request, and after that, find flight transaction. Now you can observe this is the departure date. Everyone able to see? This will be we are entering or we are selecting.
We are entering.
So we are entering means what we can do?
Parameterization.
You can do for the parameterization. So now you need to select this, and you need to click on right button, replace with parameter, click on create new parameter, and now you need to give for the name. What is this name? Departure date. So you can give for the related name depart date. So this is the file type or date and time type?
Date and time type.
Date and time, right? So that is why this parameter type you need to select for the date and time. So this time no need to put for the file. So you need to select for the date and time. This is the date and time. Everyone able to see, right? This is the date and time. You need to select this. Okay. And after that, you can see that this is the original value. Or so this is the date and means what is this mm and dd yy means month, date, year. So after that, now again you need to click for the properties. So this is the date and time, right? We have the different type of formats will be there. So our format, what is our format? Month, date, year. So you can see this is the percentage M means month, percentage D means date, percentage Y means year. So this is a suitable to for a. So you need to select. Otherwise, this is also means you can select this. See, this is the absolutely correct, right? Format, month, date, year. So which format we want, you need to select that format, because you need to change means you can give like this, script will not work, because while recording what are the value it is recorded, the month, date, year is recorded. So you need to select that only. So that is why these are all formats. Depends on the, for example, this a time also will be there. So you need to give for the this type of format means you can select this format. But right now our format only for this is our format. It's clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So next, now you need to click on close, and after that click on OK, and always you need to click on no. See, departure date also parameterization done. Then you need to do the return date. So why we can doing parameterization date? Okay, so user point of view means we need to execute number of users. That is why we are done for the username password. But date, why we can do for the date? Because see, you not done for the parameterization. So for today date is what is date? 26. Maybe this script you need to execute for tomorrow means it will not work because already date is expired. So you done for the parameterization means you can execute tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after 10 days also, it will come to the current date. It will pick the current date. Okay. And after that, you need to do for the return date also. You can select a return date and click on right button, replace with parameter and create new parameter. And you need to give for the name. What is the name? Achut? What is the name?
Return date.
Return date. So we need to give for the return date. Okay, then we need to select a file.
Yes. Date
Date and time we
and
need to
time.
select because this is the date and time parameterization. So we need to select for the date and time.
Click on property.
Click on properties. Yes. And now before doing, you need to check for the our format. What is our format? Achip?
Month, date, year.
So this is our format. Month,
Yes.
date, year, and slash also it is the same as that. So you need to select this one, and after that click on close and click on OK. Always no.
No.
So it's successfully completed for the return date also. Now passengers will be there. We are entering passengers, right? By default, it will be only one will be there, but we want change to two means you need to give for the do the parameterization for this also. This is the number of passengers. Select that and click on this and replace with parameter and create new parameter. And you need to give for the number of passengers. I'm giving shortcut number of passengers. And click on properties. So now you can observe this will be not date. So you can give for the file, no problem. Okay. So if it is not date, that is why we are giving for the like file only. And after that create table and you can click on OK. And after that you need to select for the by name. You can select number of passengers and click on close and click on OK and always no. So number of passengers also done. And so this find flight button is completed. After that, now we can observe we need to check for the what values we are entered through keyword. So now we can observe seat preferences. We are not entering. We are selecting. Radio button will be there. We are selecting. Seat type also we are selecting. So that is why we now need to do for this all parameterization. So this request is completed. Now you come to the reservation P1. For this is the flight name. So we are not entering this. Correct? So just we are selecting the flight only. So that is why here also we no need to do for the parameterization. And now is the payment details. In the payment details, you need to do for the all things. First name, last name, address 1, address 2, passenger name and credit card and date. Date means you need to use only date and time only. Okay. So these are all things we need to do for the parameterization. This is the parameterization concept. So everyone understand? Anyone have any doubt?
Yes. We change Nanaya as that username and password change into username and password in this parameterization.
Yes, we can. See, for example, we are executing test with 100 users, right? So realistic environment, what happens? Only my username password will be there. Like my username is a Jojo Bean. So I can execute test with 100 times my name on means that is a not useful, right? Test. So
Yes.
in realistic
Yes.
environment, what will happen? Facebook application will be there. You can
Different
log
different
into
people.
your credential. I can log into my credentials. Pavani will log into C credentials, right? So that
Yes.
is why realistic environment point of view, we need to give for the number of data for username and password, and we need to execute. That is why we are
Yesterday in VU generation, we execute with 10 people now.
yes,
That
10
this
people,
is
same
that
name, same one user
okay.
only we are executed. That is not
Okay.
realistic environment. So that is why
Okay.
this is only for scripting point of view, just single user point of view only we need to work, and this will be we need to work with a multiple user point of view. We are
Multiple
doing for the
users.
scripting announcements.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Anna, small doubt.
Yes.
Banu here. We
Yes.
already done parameterization in number of passengers.
Okay.
And registration transactions is also number of passengers here. He's also
Okay.
done the same copy paste using the scroll down the reservation transactions.
Yeah. Yes.
Here,
Yes.
here also done.
Yeah.
Here also done, like here also the number of passengers.
Yeah. Here also will be there. You need to replace. Already it is we done, right? You want to replace means you can replace here. You can go to the same value is the number of passengers. You can go to the replace and passes number of passengers, right? You can click on this and always no, automatically done. So no need to do again because already we done number of passenger point of view. Okay. Banu, clear?
Okay.
Okay. So everyone clear? Parameterization concept?
Yes, Sandeep.
So I am doing for one more just for your understanding purpose. So I am doing for the okay, address one. So we need to select this one. Anyone can explain, just I will select and anyone can explain, then everyone know the okay how we
Click
are
right click.
Click on
Right
double
click.
click.
Replace with parameter. Create new parameter. Let's select new
what we can
address.
give?
Address
one.
one.
We need to give for the address one because what is the name will be there. You need to give for the address one. And for this is the first thing you need to observe for the once you can give in the parameter name. We need to observe for the this is the file or date and time. This is the which one? File.
File type.
File. So
File
after
type.
that,
Properties.
okay, then good.
Then go to file and create a table.
Create table. Okay.
Okay.
You can okay.
We have to
So we
by
need
name.
by name. Select by name and select for the address one. And
Close.
you want to add the data means click on edit with notepad.
Click on
And you need to give for the name of cities or okay address details. You need to give for the address details. So like this what are values you need to give and save it and see is all values came. And after that close it.
Close.
And click on
okay.
And always
No.
So this is the parameterization concept. So right, everyone clear, right? Anyone have any doubts, please ask me, no problem. Okay.
In initially we give a username.
Yeah.
That time in second step we file name only Jojo 1, Jojo 2, 4 people or 5 people only we given, no?
Yes, we are given for the you can
it's
you want to see for the water values you are done parameterization. Shortcut will be you need to give for the control plus L, then you can see for the all the values, what are values you are done. See, you can observe in the left side address one, departure date, number of passenger, password, return date, username.
In a username we given only 5 people.
Yes, we are given only 5 people. This is just
It's
example
applicable
purpose.
for That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, yeah, it's applicable for
only
all.
only
For
5
example,
people.
you need to given for the username 5 means password also you need to give for the 5.
Okay.
But
But
number of
if
passengers and address 1, address 2, that is
no need.
no need. Okay,
Oh,
because
only
this will be
username and
only
password.
password, username, password is important. Okay.
Okay. And it's very difficult, Nana, if we have to enter 500 people's details.
So that is why what we can do means we can using for the Excel, right? For example, you are doing for the, like I'm doing for the Jojo, and I want for more data.
Okay, it's take 50. It's 50 also very difficult to enter,
yeah,
no?
yeah, we need to copy and paste will be there, and can do it for that, it will be easy. So otherwise we need to some data. This data actually for doing for the test point of view, test data also one of the important key, because of you are preparing test data means we need to how to prepare the test data is important.
Yes.
So that is why what we can do means we can prepare the test data means we can prepare the many ways, like your manually you can do it. One thing. Otherwise, you need to pick the data from the database.
Okay.
Second thing, third thing, maybe already some data will be there. You need to copy and paste it.
In that is a 50 people's is data in Excel sheet. When I want to do this one, I have to select that 50 people's data.
Yeah, yeah.
Username and password.
So now you can observe here, the browse will be there. So
yes,
you are already put for the test file or CSV file. You can go to here.
Okay.
You can select that one and add it.
Okay. If we
All
create
data will
Excel
be
sheet
displayed.
and we create Excel sheet and we save it some name and we have to browse it. It's easy to.
Yes, it is easy to.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. So
thank you. Get it.
Yeah. And going to the next point. So everyone, so this is file and dot file, and this is the number of columns and my name by number. This is the comma delimiter. This is the data first line means this is the first line. You are given for the second means it will pick the second. You are given third means it will pick the third value. You can give in fourth value means it will pick the fourth value. So like this you need to give for the values means you can do it. So we are giving one means first onwards it will start. Okay, and after that this is the important for us sequential. We have these are the properties, these are the types, file and date and time, these all will be types. We have the properties also will be there, parameter properties. So we'll see this is the sequential, random, unique, sequential, random, unique, and same to the we have one more, each iteration, each occurrence once. So these are will be properties, sequential, random, unique. So we'll discuss tomorrow sequential, unique, random. What is the sequential? What is the random? How values will pick? So we need to discuss tomorrow class. Okay, for this. So meanwhile, just each and everyone go through the parameterization concept. What is the parameterization? And SM2, you need to practice, and after that you need to observe for the what is the sequential, what is the random, and what is the each iteration, what is the each occurrence once. Also you can just look it for the definitions. We'll discuss tomorrow. Then once you can see the definition in the material, then maybe tomorrow I will tell the class means everyone will be understand easy. Okay.
Okay.
So SM2 I'm giving for the one more assignment to for everyone. Please see this. I'm give for the assignment today onwards. I will give for the assignment. So this is the web tour application, right?
Yes, sir.
So I want for the test data 30 test data, but we don't have data. So that is why we need to create for the manually. How to we can create the manually means click on sign up now. And after that, you need to give for the username. I'm giving for the Kiran, and password I'm giving for the Kiran321, and confirming password Kiran321, and first name I'm giving Sriram, and second name Kiran, and address I'm giving, and after that. So this data you need prepare for the, I want for the 50 user data. So how you need to prepare means you need to open for the each and everyone Excel sheet. Okay. And after that, you need to create names like a username and password, and confirm password no need, first name, last name, F name, last name, and street address and city. Address and city. Now we are creating, right? What is the username I given? So you need to also note it like this, Kiran, and password I given for the Kiran 321, and first name I'm given for the Sriram, and last name I given for the Kiran, and address one I given Miyapur, city Hyderabad. So now, so once you entered like this, you need to prepare the Excel sheet, and now you can click on continue after enter these details. Username is taken, please choose another, already is there. Okay, we'll take for Kiran one. Okay, and now click on continue. See, it is a thank you for Kiran one for registering for the welcome to the Web2 family. We hope you can meet all your current and future travels need. So you can click on continue. So it's a Kiran one will be created. Now you can sign up. So using these credentials, you need to log in and log out also. You can do Kiran one. I given for the Kiran one, right? Now I'm giving for the Kiran one, and password will be Kiran 321. So I'm logging successful. See, I created for the one user. So like this, each and everyone can prepare for the 30 user data for manually for today. And parameterization concept also, each and everyone please prepare well. And I will ask for the interview questions for the tomorrow class. See this assignment, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next time also again go to here, again you need to click on sign up, and you need to give for the names. And next time I'm creating second data means Kiran 2, and after that you need to enter for this all details, and you need to prepare for the second time Kiran 2. Like this you need to prepare for the 20 user data. And for this data, once you done for creation for the 20 user data, you can come to here, and once you're done for the parameterization, enter for the control L, and you can copy and paste it for the username place. Just you can click on this means it will come here, and you can copy and paste it here. So like this, each and everyone prepare and do for this is the assignment for the tomorrow assignment. So each and everyone understand, right? So if you anyone understand means please let me know, because of every day each and everyone should be do for the assignment. Everyone fine assignment?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
Banu, Basha?
Yeah, no. Okay.
I think everyone fine?
Anya, yes, yes. Anya, can you please share that web tour?
Yeah, web tour URL. I will share
Yeah.
to, I am sharing for the here only chart window. Please everyone copy and paste it in your notepad and keep it. I shared, please check once in chart window.
Hello. Hi, sir. Yes, small letter.
So everyone clear, right? Assignment?
Yes.
Hemant? Hemant?
SNS.
Okay. I think everyone good, right? So we can go to closing class. So if anyone may be not understand, please call me and ask me, no problem. Okay. but everyone I am expecting from the do the assignment.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, Paul.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm trying to do recording today, but it's not some pop-up. I'm not able to record it because of some pop-up window was coming. That is recording options. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, I can share.
How to remove web rig and find that column?
Web?
After recording, showing error.
Yeah, web break finder. So
Web rig
in
finder.
you can go to the recording options. Yeah, in that recording option, you can go to the advanced. You no need to check for this while recording. So each and everyone, some prerequisites are